Hello, Shawn here, and welcome to part 2 of our LifeVantage Compensation Plan series. As with the first part, we will be using the compensation plan highlights to discuss this portion of the pay plan. If you don't already have it, you can find it at LifeVantage.com, scroll to the bottom, and click on the compensation plan highlights link as shown on the screen. That will bring you to the one-page PDF summary you see on the right. This video will give you a look at the launch bonus, just one of several ways you get paid at LifeVantage. This particular bonus is open to all paid as Pro 3s and above who also have a minimum 200 personal volume, which is comprised of their personal orders and their directly enrolled customers' orders. So how does it work? Well, LifeVantage wants to reward you for more than just the customers and distributors you personally enroll. So we've created the launch bonus to reward you for distributors enrolled by others in your organization. Remember, you must currently be a paid as Pro 3 or above, and you must maintain a 200 or higher personal volume to qualify for the launch bonus. The launch bonus works as a trickle-up bonus, paying the first qualified paid as distributor of each of a group of ranks as it moves up the enrollment tree. Don't worry, we will go through several examples to drive home how and when you get paid. Let's say a distributor, somewhere in the downline, enrolls a platinum pack. The first group this bonus looks for is a paid as Pro 3 or paid as Pro 4. Once identified, that distributor will receive a $50 bonus. Then this bonus looks for a paid as Pro 5 or paid as Pro 6, and they also will receive a $50 bonus. Then this bonus looks for the first paid as Pro 7, 8, or 9, and they receive a $50 bonus as well. There are additional payouts to Master Pro 10s and above, but for this video we'll focus on the ranks of Pro 3 through 9. So what if a gold pack is enrolled as opposed to the platinum pack we just looked at? Well, the system will again look for the first Pro 3 or 4, the first 5 or 6, and the first Pro 7, 8, or 9, and the payout for the bonus is $25 to the first distributor in each one of those ranges. And if a silver pack is enrolled as opposed to the platinum pack, the system will again look for the first Pro 3 or 4, the first 5 or 6, and the first 7, 8, or 9, and the payout for the bonus is $12.50 to the first distributor in each of those ranges instead of the $50 paid for a platinum pack distributor. So it does definitely pay to get platinum packs. I do want to mention that this bonus pays the same whether you're enrolled as a platinum, gold, or silver pack. The amount only changes based on the new distributor coming into your organization. Silver will always pay $12.50, gold will always pay $25, and new platinum packs will always pay $50 to the first Pro 3 or 4, first Pro 5 or 6, and first Pro 7, 8, or 9. So let's get into specific examples. In this scenario, a Pro 1 under you has signed up a platinum pack. What do you get paid? So the system looks to the enroller to see if they are a paid as Pro 3 or above. They're not. So the system skips them and looks up the tree to the next distributor, which in this example is you. You are a paid as Pro 3 and thus would qualify for the $50 bonus. The system will continue to look upwards from your position then to find the first paid as 5 or 6, and so on. Let's look at another example. In this scenario, a Pro 1, 2 levels under you, has signed up a platinum pack. What do you get paid? The system again looks to the enroller to see if they are a paid as Pro 3 or above. They're not, so the system skips them and looks up the tree to the next distributor. They are a paid as Pro 3 and qualify for the $50 bonus. The system then looks upwards to your position to see if you qualify as the first paid as 5 or 6. You are and also get a $50 bonus. The system will continue to look upwards from your position then to find the first paid as 7, 8, or 9. Hopefully this is starting to make sense. So can you get blocked from receiving this bonus? Yes. If you are not the first paid as in a particular group, you'll be blocked in that leg of your business from getting paid. Here you see a platinum pack coming into the organization and the enroller is a paid as Pro 3. They received the $50 for being the first paid as Pro 3 or 4. The system is now looking for the first paid as Pro 5 or 6 to pay the next $50 bonus. You are not a paid as Pro 5 or 6 and will not get paid on this enrollment. The good news though in this example is there are 2 other legs that you have and can still get paid the $50 launch bonus on. Also, hopefully you're working on the next rank advancement to Pro 5. where you would once again start to get paid the launch bonus on all your legs. Since you're the first paid as Pro 5, the system will fine any time a new distributor comes into your organization. So let's recap with some keys to remember. Well, you first must be paid as a Pro 3 or higher to receive this bonus. Second, your personal volume or PV must be $200 or higher. The system's going to look for the first Pro 3 or Pro 4, then the first Pro 5 or 6, then the first Pro 7, 8, or 9 above the new enrollment, and pays $50, $25, or $12.50 depending on which pack the new distributor comes in on. And always remember, if you get blocked, you need to build more width and look to rank advance. I hope this helps. Alright, that wraps up our training on the launch bonus. Be sure to watch the next video in our LifeVantage Compensation Plan series, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Shawn and Michelle Poe, so you'll be updated when new trainings come out.